Good morning, students. Today's topic of discussion is problems in processing of data. This is Atindra Mukherji speaking on behalf of Kingston School of Management and Science. Now, what are the common problems faced while processing of data? The first problem is concerning the don't know responses or the DK responses. These are the don't know responses. Now, while processing the data, the researcher often comes across certain responses which are difficult to handle. Now, when the decay response group is small, it is of little significance. But when this is big, then it poses a lot of problems. Now, the question which elicits is the decay response useless? The answer depends on 2 points. The respondent actually may not know the answer of the researcher in the appropriate information, but the particular respondent may be unsure of the response, whether it's yes or whether it's no. Then comes the don't know responses. The best way is to design better type of questions such that the don't know responses do not come. So how do we actually design the better type of questions? We have to think while framing the questions how to design such type of questions. That is the most important thing. Now, what about the decay responses which already have taken place? One way to tackle this issue is to estimate the allocation of decay answers from some other data in the questionnaire. The second problem faced mainly is the use of percentages. Percentages are often used in data presentation to simplify numbers, reducing all of them to a 0 to 100 range. The data are reduced in standard form with base of 100, which facilitates relative comparisons. Now, 2 or more percentages must not be averaged until it is of a weighted type. It is always to be followed in this way. Use of too large percentages should be avoided. Percentages hide the base from which they have been computed. So, the base should be taken upfront. The base should not be hidden. Percentage decreases can never exceed 100%, and such for calculating the percentage of decrease, the higher figure should invariably be taken as the base. Percentages should generally be worked out in the direction of the causal factor. It should always be done in the direction of the causal factor. It should not be dispersed or it should not be scattered. It should handle only one type of data. Now we must select the most significant factor out of the two given factors. So, these are some of the common problems faced in processing of data. We should be able to tackle these problems if we do the questions in a more prudent way. Thank you. Have a nice day.